Hi, this is Chris from the Guitar Training Camp. In this video, we're going to take a look at what is the easiest arpeggio to get started with sweeping. This is going to be perfect for beginners or intermediate guitar players that would like to start to dabble in sweeping. For this first arpeggio, it's an A major arpeggio. I think of it as kind of like a little mini arpeggio. The full arpeggio for this pattern would look like this, if you wanted to sweep that whole pattern. But I like, for beginners and intermediate players, I think just this little, kind of half an arpeggio, I think works really well. So this is an A major triad, and it's a second inversion triad, which means that it's the fifth on the bottom. So it goes 5, 1, 3, meaning this is the fifth note in the chord. This is the root, and this is the third. So it looks just like a D chord, except up here on frets 9 and 10, it's an A chord, with this being the root right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to play those notes individually. And here's how you're going to pick it. You're going to pick down, 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 then you're going to pick up on 12, do a pull off to 9. Pulling off is when I pluck a note and I pull my finger, I pull this off. I'm basically plucking the first string with my first finger. So you get down, 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 up, pull off, up on this this A here on the second string, 10th fret. And you want to make sure you get you want to follow this picking, because you're going to need to do this picking to be able to get it much faster. So what you want to do is go nice and slow, and make sure you have the picking correct, and then slowly speed it up to whatever speed you want. And obviously the faster it goes, the more sweepy it sounds. And that's how you play a little major beginner intermediate sweeping pattern right here on strings 1, 2, and 3. This next arpeggio is an A minor arpeggio, so it's almost exactly the same as the first one, but instead of having this C sharp in here, which is the major third interval, from here to here, from A to C sharp's a major third, we're going to have to put in a minor third, which is this C right here. That's the minor third. So it's going to look like this. It's the exact same picking. You're going to go down, 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 up, pull off, up. Major, minor. You can hear the major kind of sounds happy, much brighter sounding. Minor sounds darker, a little sadder, a little angrier. Major, minor. And that is how you play this little sweeping arpeggio in A minor. And our third triad we're going to take a look at in this video is an A diminished arpeggio. So instead of, the minor was 5, 1, flat 3, 5. A diminished arpeggio is going to have a flat 5 here. So it's going flat 5, 1, flat 3, and then flat 5 again. And you're going to pick that the same as the other ones. Down, 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 up, pull off, up. So we had the major, then the minor, and then now the diminished. They're all fairly similar, just 1 or 2 notes different. I picked them all the same. Fingering wise, for the diminished, instead of going, I find that a little uncomfortable, so instead of keeping with the exact same fingering as the other ones, I switched to this fingering instead of this. I like to use my third and fourth finger. I just find that more comfortable, and that was how you play the little mini sweeping arpeggio for A diminished. Thanks for taking the time to check out this video. If you would like to get notifications when new videos come out by the Guitar Training Camp, make sure you subscribe with the subscribe button down below to our channel. Now get out of here and get sweeping.